Okay, drummers, so you've got your kick and snare pattern down. Now we're going to learn what we call the basic beat. And you can see that right here. First time around, we're going to play the hi-hat on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to play the kick drum on beats 1 and 3. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'd like for you to join in with me. I'm going to bring in the band. 1, 2, here we go. Great. Now that you've got playing the hi-hat and the kick together on the basic beat, let's put the snare and the hi-hat together. The snare is going to be on 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the hi-hat's going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. You got it. Snare, snare,